da 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 vlog twat. What's up, people? I'll tell you what's happening. I just treated this beast of a car to a £6 car wash. Yes, I treat Champ as well. You know this. Let's have a look. Look at her sparkle. Look at her glow. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? Oh, I know how to treat Champers. £6. Oh, what's happening? I'll tell you what's happening. Good morning. So proud of myself for working out if I get a large for 20 pence. You get an extra shot of coffee. It's just every time. It's lovely. Remember the 5th of November when we burned a man on top of a fire who was trying to do us a favour. Unless you're a royalist, of course. I'm neither. I'll tell you what's going to be happening tonight. You know what's going to be happening tonight, don't you? I'll tell you what's going to be happening tonight. Johnny's! Fucking fireworks are going off! The dogs just shit on the new carpet in the bedroom! I'm sick of this every year! I'm sick of it! It's alright, love, it's alright. We'll just clean it up, You know, we knew it was coming, didn't we? We knew it was coming. Fireworks, bonfire night. I don't like it, really. Well, I'm not cleaning the shit up every year, and you know it's going to go on for weeks afterwards. The dog's shitting on the rug. Oh. Seriously, though, I mean, should fireworks only be able to be let off on the 5th of November? Because genuine, you get all them stories of horses going mental in fields, don't you? Silent fireworks, do they need to bang? People, tell me in the comments. Do they need to bang? Subscribe. You can't subscribe to Facebook. You have to friend request me. And I'm a bit fussy. You can go over to my YouTube channel, though, and subscribe. Vlog Twat on YouTube. That's it today, really. You know, I see a picture of old Knobhead. In the paper. Everybody else is. Oh, give it away. Oh no, I gave it away. It's me. It's been me the whole time. Yeah. Yeah. No, mummy, no. Mummy, no, don't. Mummy, oh yes, please, mummy, touch me. Oh. You know, everybody else is sat there with masks on, and that twat sat there without one on, you know, whatever you think about masks. I wonder how the conspiracy theorists feel about Boris not wearing a mask. Is he your mate now? Is he your mate? Is he your mate? Have a good weekend, everybody.